Happy Wednesday, everyone. Should be a quick video today. In fact, I'm going to dive right into showing you what you're going to be working on. Hopefully, last class you really got an idea with the map, what a difference in Africa, how it changed in just 20 years' time as Europeans arrived in Africa and decided to cut it up. So for today, you're going to be doing some textbook reading. I know it's not the funnest, but it is essential for you guys to figure out what exactly is happening. Let me just get this up. The textbook pages, I'll also put in with your assignment with this video. That way you have easy access, or hopefully you have your textbook at home. That would probably be the easiest. It is the World Traditions Patterns of Interaction. It's 773 to 776, which in case you're using the version that I'll post with this, it's chapter 27, section 1. You guys have done event notes in the past. Causes for the scramble of Africa. It's basically the event is the cutting up of Africa, right? And every European country claiming their own colonies. So for the causes, you're going to look at the headers Africa before European domination and forces driving imperialism. For what was the scramble of Africa, you're going to be looking at the division of Africa. And for the results of the scramble of Africa, you're going to do the three groups clash over South Africa, okay? That's pretty straightforward. It can be in bullet points. You are just taking notes. We're not going to have a reading check on this because, quite frankly, you kind of just got to do it. But you'll take notes on it. And then please make sure that you scroll all the way down. There's two basic parts of today's assignment. Do the textbook reading first, and then I have a primary source analysis, which is an example of a treaty that these European countries would force Africans to sign. So if you scroll all the way down on the assignment, you have primary source analysis, example of a treaty. This is a pretty like fill in the blank that they would get Africans to actually sign. So it says, we, the undersigned chiefs of the ... would be whatever tribe they were talking to. They would put their name in. And it basically is talking about how they get the rights to land. Take a look at it. I would like to, on Friday, kind of talk about some of these things, both the maps that we've done, as well as this primary source. Once you read through the primary source, there are 3 questions that follow, and I'll try and get those as I'm seeing this so spread out. I'll get them more together, but the first question is, how does this treaty reflect the interest of Britain in the scramble for African colonies? Support your response with specific details from the document. So how does it show what Britain wants? That's what you're thinking about. Why are they doing this? Why are they having Africans sign this treaty? For 2, how does the treaty reflect the interests of the native Africans who signed it? Support your response with specific details from the document. So you're going to be asking yourself, how are they represented? Are their rights being considered? What they want, are they being considered when they are signing these treaties? Also, another thing to think about this is, think about what language the Europeans speak, and then think about what language the African tribes speak. There should be a difference there. And that should also kind of hint at you, did the Africans really know what they were signing and what they were agreeing to? And which again, hopefully we'll talk more on Friday with Zoom about that. Then 3, Africans who signed treaties with European nations often did not fully understand what they agreed to until it was too late. Support or refute that statement using details from the treaty. So with these 3 questions, it's really asking you to look at evidence, right? What can you pull from the document that supports those ideas? Okay, so it shouldn't take you too long. I bet it probably ends up taking a half hour of your time today. The causes, event notes, causes, what it was, results of, as well as the example of that treaty. If you guys have, here, let me see if I can get this up. There we go. If you guys have questions, please reach out. I'm looking. Grades are slowly getting up to date. I think Q3 is set at this point, so that shouldn't change. If you have questions, though, please reach out, okay? Hopefully I'll see you guys on Friday with our Zoom meeting, and we'll be talking soon. Good luck. Bye.